So one more lecture we may get before your ISC examination, and that's why I have kept the syllabus for the ISC examination up to the primary settling time. Okay. So what is the function of primary settling time? That I will explain in the coming lecture. So before that, you write down comminator. What is the function of comminator? So write down. It is a sewage grinders and it is also known as the comminator. It is a sewage grinders and also known as the comminator. Where we are shredding the particles into smaller pieces. Where we are shredding the particles into smaller pieces. Where we are shredding the particles into smaller pieces and allow to flow along with wastewater. And allow to flow along with wastewater in a further treatment processes. In a further treatment processes. Okay. Now, what is the chemical precipitation? Please write down the heading chemical precipitation. Chemical precipitation in water and wastewater treatment is the change in form of materials dissolved in water into solid particles. We are converting their form by applying some chemicals like the coagulants. Okay, what are the different types of coagulants we have studied in water supply engineering? That alum, copperous chloride, ferrous sulfate, these are the various coagulants. Because of the application of such coagulants in a water, the agglomeration process for the of particles starts because of the neutralization of charge on the particle. Okay. So the chemical precipitation is used to remove the ionic constituents from water by the addition of counter ions to reduce the solubility. Okay, that is the main function of chemical precipitation. So you are requested to write down this definition. Chemical precipitation in water and wastewater treatment is the change in form of materials dissolved in water into solid particles. Okay. And it is used to remove ionic constituents from water by the addition of counter ions to reduce the solubility. So finish this a little fast. Or, okay, who has dropped a message? Sachin. Okay, I think time is also over. Shall we stop or will continue? You may not get much break if I continue for 10 minutes more. Okay, we will stop here and I will try to get one more session if tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so we can finish the primary treatment process also. Okay, so thank you very much everybody for being here and attending the session. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will leave the class. Let me know if you have any question regarding ISC or anything else.
Ma'am, ISC kadi hai?
ISC will start from 29th of November. And our paper probably is coming on the 1st of December. So I think Lachan madam shared the notice and timetable. If not, I will tell you. ISC will start from 29th and every day one paper will be there. Morning 4 hours academic lectures will be continued. but your competitive classes and the software classes will not be functioning in these days. So instead of that, from 3 to 5, there will be ISE paper.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मॅम फायनलचे पेपर ऑफलाईन होणार आहेत का ऑनलाईन?
अजून डिक्लेअर नाहीये, पण देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी टू हॅव द पेपर्स थ्रू ऑफलाईन मोड. I feel that in coming week we may get notice from the government of Maharashtra that we can run the classes offline mode, through the offline mode, and if it is getting received, definitely the paper will be in offline mode. December end will be the session end, and then examination may start for third year and final years. Any question? Okay, shall we close now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.